So this is how you can use MiniMax for a free AI video generator. So it's not actually called MiniMax, but they do have a separate name for it. It's called Hailuo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it that right, but this is their actual other app where they do the AI video generation because MiniMax is something else. It is still AI, but it's something else. So this is MiniMax's AI video generator, and this is how you use it. When you go to hailuoai.video, it's going to take you straight to this page right here. As you can see, you can already generate a prompt over here. You can already put in a prompt. So let's say you want to create an AI video about sharks. You could say something like, make me a video about sharks swimming in the ocean. So once you type that in here, like in the text box, you can now tap on create a video right there. And after you do, it's going to ask you to sign in, like how any other AI video generator would do. So if you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. It's actually very simple and easy. You will need a Google account or any type of account. Just, sign in and you're good to go. You can now generate videos for completely free on Hailuo or Minimax. All you need is a prompt and you will be good to go. You could even change like the type of video you want it to be. Like for example, if you want it to be realistic or cartoonish like this one, or in another different type of art style like the Ghibli studio style. I hear that's very popular in some videos. Or you could make it like 2000 style or a comic style. Just choose what kind of style you want it to be and then just add your prompt and tap on create video, and then it's going to start creating, and you will need about like 5 minutes and it's already generated. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.